So this is our new 6-1 wing foil blank 2025. So what we did different here, we add a bit more thickness, as you can see. So it got a bit more versatile. You can fit in all the foil boards you want, less than 6.0 kinda. So doesn't matter if it's a mid-length board or a freestyle board, everything is possible. We add a bit more rocker as well, if you can see, and the same as all the other wing foil blanks, it comes taped, not glued. So what means this? The tape version is non-glued, so we can pre-attach it with some glue dots. After that you can shape it by hand or shape it with a CNC machine. When the board is finished shaped, you can disassemble the poles from each other and chamber it perfectly to the half of the weight. This also provides the best kind of weight distribution a foil board can have, because the nose is gonna be hollow as much as you can, and here where the foil tracks are, we have a full wood core which gives a lot of durability. So the weight distribution gonna be perfect on those. And after this you just glue it together and shape it as the normal way would be. So yeah, give it a try. If you need a CNC cut, just write us and we make it perfect for you.